I, it reads, I, Manuel Perez Iturbe,
Smartmatic, the leader, and is that the country of Venezuela? There are so many erasures by blackening, and the contract is supposed to be the largest single contract to meet the required amount. But the amount does not even appear there. The name of the party is not even clear to us because the name of the party is mutilated. We would not know anymore whether that is indeed the bidder. It is mutilated because it is erased. Why should the name of the party be confidential? It is, on the contrary, in the interest of the bidder to show that it is the one. It is contrary to how we understand confidentiality to be. And we are not bound by any confidentiality agreement between the bidder and its client. Otherwise, we will be a hostage to whatever hidden agreements the bidder might have entered into with other parties.
It's very difficult for our client to get a certification from the CNE and even to have the authority to show the first and the last pages of this contract.
Okay, now, when we stated in the big bulletin that the first and last pages may be submitted in the meantime, we were referring to lengthy contracts and on the condition that we will have to be shown this during the post-qualification. Now, we do not need your lengthy manifestations now. We only want you to answer the questions that we ask. Do we find in this contract, this is your supposed single largest contract, right?
Yes.
Do we find here the contract amount?
No, Your Honor, because this is the first and the last page only. That was the requirement. That's why we submitted the certification of the CNE.
That's your answer. Now, don't you realize that it is the amount that you are supposed to prove by this contract? Because that is what we need. Why do you hide it?
We are not hiding it, Your Honor, because we already have...
If you do not hide it, on what page will you find the contract amount? Himself, the president or whoever is the authorized official, know on what page the contract amount appears? We do not accept that the contract amount should be confidential, and even if it says so in your agreement, we do not recognize that and we are not bound by it. Second question. There is here in this line which reads, por una parte y por la otra, Smartmatic erased portion following the name Smartmatic.
Yes.
This one, y por la otra, Smartmatic, this blackened portion would seem to be a part of the name Smartmatic. We wonder why the name of the contracting party should be mutilated in this matter. If this is the name of the bidder now, why should you hide the complete name from us? In the same manner that you have hidden the contract amount, can you divulge to us now the words that follow Smartmatic, the words that have been blackened out of sight?
Is
name of the bidder here?
Yes, Your Honor. There is a in the last page.
So you think that should
we cannot really do anything about this document, Your Honor. This is not a private contract. This is a public contract, and it involves the election in Venezuela.
If it is a private contract, it should be a public document which is open to the public. But without the contract amount in the contract that you submitted to us, how could we?
Mr. Chairman, that's why we have the CNE certification.
We will require during post-qualification the submission of the whole contract without any erasures. We expect to see in that contract the full name of the contracting parties.